everyone, welcome to Dancing with Dina. Today I'm going to teach you Alabama chasin. Before we get started, hit that like, share, leave me any comments below, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button. This dance starts off with a vaudeville step. I know, a fancy word. But don't worry, I'm going to break it down nice and easy for you, and it just takes practice. But once you learn that step, you're going to love that step. So let me show you what that looks like. Weight is on your left. You're going to step right to the side, left behind, and then you're going to step right to the side and pop that left heel up at the same time. So side and heel, step down left, cross right over left. Let me show you the other side. Remember your crossover weight on your right. You're going to step left to the side, right behind. Remember, take that step to the side and pop that heel up. So left to the side, right heel popped up, and side heel, step down right, cross left over right. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Just takes practice, but I know you can do it. Remember, you ended that last step with your left crossed over, so weight's on your left. You're going to shuffle forward right at a diagonal, shuffle forward left at a diagonal with a jazz box cross. So here's what that looks like. Weight on your left. Right together, right. Remember, you're going at that diagonal. Then left shuffle at a diagonal. Left together, left. Then you're going to do a jazz box cross. So it's cross right over left, step back left, right to the side, cross left over right. Let me show that to you by the count. Weight on your left. Cross over, remember. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next section of 8 is my favorite. You can have a lot of fun with it. So let me show you what that looks like. You're going to step right and left at an eighth, and you're going to shuffle forward at an eighth with your right. So right together, right. You're going to step left, right at an eighth, step left, right, and you're going to shuffle forward left at an eighth and end up back on that front wall. So left together, left. Let me show that to you by the count. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Remember, you ended that shuffle left. So you're going to rock forward right, recover left. Then you're going to do a coaster right, which is back together forward. Then you're going to step left, pivot a quarter. Don't take that weight right, because you're going to do 2 heel swivels with your right. I say putting out the cigarette. So here's what that looks like. Heel swivel, heel swivel. So let me show that to you by the count. On your left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. Full dance by the count. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. Time to talk about those tags. There's only two, but don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to do both of them. So the first one happens the first time that you come back to 12 o'clock. So you're gonna get to wall 4, you're gonna do the whole dance, which brings you back to 12 o'clock. So then you're gonna finish out that heel swivel. So then you're gonna stomp right, stomp left, you're gonna clap 4 times. Make sure you take that weight on your left because you're gonna start the dance out after you clap. So the claps will be 3 and 4 and. Show you tag number 1 by the count. Remember your weight is on your left because you finished out that heel swivel. So here's what that count looks like. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and. Tag number 2 happens on wall 8, so you're gonna finish out all of 8, which brings you to the front wall. So the second rotation that you come around, you're gonna finish out that heel swivel. This time you're gonna add a rocking chair. So you're gonna rock forward right, back left, back right, forward left. You're gonna stomp right, stomp left, clap 4 times. Tag number 2 by the count. Weight is on your left. You finish out that swivel. Here's what that looks like. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and. Thanks for watching. See you next dance.